Hi guys! If you have some Wi-Fi issues on your Windows laptop, you can try to reinstall Wi-Fi driver even without the internet connection on your laptop. To do this, you need to use another device which has the internet connection. Of course, it can be your second laptop, but I'm going to show you this on the smartphone because mostly people have only one laptop and one smartphone. Also, you're gonna need this thing, USB flash drive and USB flash drive adapter to connect flash drive to your smartphone. The method I'm going to show you is working on Windows 11, Windows 10 and even older versions. So let's go guys. So first of all, you need to open settings on your Windows laptop. To do this, hit the Windows button on your keyboard, find settings, click on that. Now go to network and internet, click on Wi-Fi, then click on hardware properties and write down your adapter model, or you can just keep this window opened. Now on your smartphone connected to the internet with the flash drive inserted, open any web browser and search for driver pack solution. Now go to this website and tap on driver search at the top of the screen. Now enter your network adapter model name. You can skip this R letter, by the way. Tap on find. And here is the search results. Try to download the latest version. You can update from the official website later after you have Wi-Fi working. So let's tap on download driver, file downloaded. Remember its name. Let's open to remember the name, Prod Start Driver Pack HTA. So now you can close the web browser and go to My Files. So as you can see, now you have two tabs here, device storage and the flash drive tab. If you don't see this tab, try to eject your flash drive and insert it back again. Now let's scroll down to downloads. We need downloads folder. Here is our file. Let's tap and hold on this file, tap on move, and move your file from device storage to the flash drive. Tap on move here. Okay, and that's it. Now you can eject the flash drive and insert this flash drive into your PC. Now you need to open your File Explorer and find your USB drive. Here it is, USB drive. Here is your driver. Double click to install. Now on your smartphone with the internet connection and flash drive inserted, open any web browser and just Google search for driver for your device. Let's search. It takes us to the official website. It's pretty good. Now find your driver for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Tap View Details. Make sure you download in the latest version. Scroll down, tap on download, accept the terms in the license agreement. I've already downloaded this file before. So wait for the download to be completed, and once downloaded, you can close your browser and now open the file manager, whatever you use, Files by Google or My Files. Now you see you have two tabs now, device storage and your flash drive tab. If you don't see this tab, try to reinsert your flash drive or use another adapter. Now scroll down to downloads. Here is our driver, tap and hold. Then tap on move and move the driver from device storage to the flash drive. Just without folder, just tap on move here. Okay. Moved successfully, and now you can eject your flash drive and insert it into your laptop. Now on your laptop, just open the File Explorer. If you don't have this icon here, once again you can find the Explorer application from the Start menu. Now you need to find your drive. Here it is, USB drive. And just follow the steps to install the driver. Double click. Click yes. Click on Next, agree to the terms and conditions, install. Now repair has been completed successfully and I hope your Wi-Fi is fixed now. So guys, that's pretty it. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.